Find an equation of variation in which y varies inversely as x and y equals 6 when x equals 3. Then find the value of y when x equals 100. Well, an equation of inverse variation has the form y equals k over x, where k is the variation constant. And we need to find the variation constant to write the equation that we're looking for. And we'll use the information that we're given that y is 6 when x is 3. So I can substitute 6 for y and 3 for x. And then to solve for k, I just multiply both sides of the equation by 3, and I get 18 equals k. And now if I go back and substitute 18 for k in this form of the equation, I get the equation that we were looking for. Y equals 18 over x. So this is the equation of variation. Now we're going to use this equation to find the value of y when x is 100. So we're using the equation y equals 18 over x, and we'll substitute 100 for x. Y equals 18 over 100. And when we simplify 18 over 100, we get 9 over 50. So y is 9 over 50 when x is equal to 100.